So it makes your app far more conversational. So let's see what this looks like. Here I used the animated GIF. You can see that looks pretty cool. Now it does not show up on the Messenger app for the iPhone. I don't know why. Maybe the GIF is too big. Maybe it's not sized properly, but it does show up on the web version, which is kind of cool. And you can see here I added a number of different options. And let's say that we go to the 10-minute meditation. What does that take us? Okay, it takes us to videos. It's a video link. And then we have Sounds of Nature, which is a payload. Oh, no, it's a link too. Sometimes I forget. So again, these are links. Let's see some of it. Okay, boom. Okay, see, we just got a response back, right? So, and this is kind of gives you an idea of how a chatbot works. Very simple, very easy. Certain words trigger certain actions, responses, cards, and so on. And then you can have certain methods that kind of like an echoing feature, a parrot feature. So again, you can come in here and you can manipulate it more. You could add more statements, more words that trigger things like hi, and in our case triggered it, or aha triggered it. One of the cool things you can do is you can just come in here and you can play it with some of the other bots and kind of get an idea of how other people are creating bots. And this is from CNN. You can put in words like warriors. And boom, it gives you stories about the Golden State Warriors, right? You could read the story. You could ask CNN. If you read the story, this is like a link. It's going to send you to the actual story. If you want to read, if you want to ask CNN, you can do that. And then usually they have one more option, which is like snippets, but maybe they don't have that on this version. Okay. Oh yeah, here it is. Get summary. So boom, and it just gives you like a small little summary of the story, and then you could do more. So here's another example of a card that doesn't have a picture. So you can see it just has the 3 options. So again, Messenger bots are very cool. They allow you to communicate. It makes things more interactive. It makes content interactive instead of static. And that's a huge, huge shift. So once again, thanks for being part of this course. And I hope you learned a lot and that you got your first bot up. And now you can start manipulating and create cool new bots. Once again, thank you. And we'll see you in the next lecture.